Alright, I rarely show this vehicle, man, but last night we went out in our 2019 Chevy Silverado, man. As you can see, it got the 6.5 inch lift. The rims are 20 inch. Those are made by Rocky Ridge. We also got them on the 35-inch tires. We got the Rocky Ridge lift, 6.5 inch lift. It got the BDS parts underneath the body. It got the matte paint job. That's not a matte wrap. As you can also see, the front bar got the LED lights. It's a real nice vehicle to drive, man, and drive real smooth and everything, man. It's one of our favorite vehicles, especially when we gotta take a long ride or whatever like that. You already see all the logos and everything was repainted by John Mobile Detailing. All the logos, like the stickers, they was done by Cartel Blanche. You see that beautiful queen right there in the passenger seat. Rocky Ridge logos all around the interior and all that, man. Has a regular radio and all that. Let me show y'all the back. Oh, hold on. That's dirty. That's dirty, man. It's also my work vehicle too. Man. But yeah, let me show y'all, man. This is I got the kicker, 2 kicker 10s with the kicker amp and the bass adjuster, the whole nine. Real nice system inside. I'm gonna go with some horns in the back because usually when I got people in the back, they just like it's too much bass, not enough highs. So I'm gonna definitely go with some horns in the back and all that, man. But this the bed of the truck. It was already lined. There's a paint liner in there. I like paint liner more than the plastic liner, only because I can still get to my hooks and all that when I gotta tie something down, man. But overall, man, the 2019 Silverado RST by Rocky Ridge, man, this is my everyday vehicle you'll see me in mostly, but this how it go down, man. Trophies.